Hello y'all, the vocal doctor here. I'm now going to discuss number 2 vocal problem. It's your request. Number 2 vocal problem is called nasal tone. Nasal tone, where it sounds like the sound is coming through the nose. So when we're singing, we're going, did I do that like Steve Urkel? Hallelujah, hallelujah. Kind of has the same sound as Patti LaBelle and also Tina Turner and Keith Sweat. They sing through the nose. In order to stop this, we have to be able to open up the back of our throats, let the air come out forward. Hallelujah, hallelujah. If you would like to try to correct your nasal tone, you need to definitely click on the link in my bio and I can help you. Y'all have a great day.